Good evening. It is Shauna, your independent director with 31 Gifts. A few people have asked me how I create my surveys, so I wanted to do a quick video on how to use Google Forms. So you need to have a Google Drive account. Now you do not have to have a Gmail account. You can use a Hotmail or Shaw or whatever email provider that you use to use Google. Okay, so we're going to click on, once you get into Google Drive, as you can see here, I have a number of different documents that I have saved and different folders that I have, but that's not what we're here to talk about. So we're going to click on New, and then we're going to click on More, and we're going to click on Google Forms. Okay, it is going to open another browser, and you can title it whatever you would like. So I'm going to title this Survey. Now, the form description, I'm going to write Test Survey, and you can make it whatever you want. Okay, now the nice thing about Google Forms is you can change the background. So if you want to make it blue, or I'm a 31 girl, so I always love my pink, or you can even do a picture. So let's do it a fun picture and hit select. There we go. So make it really personable. If you have a logo, if you're doing this for a business, that would be really helpful. Over here, sorry to jump around a little bit. Over here, you want to just double click on that and it's going to click over to survey. The nice thing about Google Forms is it saves for you every couple of minutes. Okay, so let's get down to the question. So untitled question. So we're going to say name, if I can spell. So over here in your drop-down menu, you have a number of different options. Short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop-down, linear scale, multiple choice, multiple choice, grid, date, or time. This will give you a number of different ways that you can do surveys. You can do whatever it is that you want to capture with Google Forms. So name, I usually do with a short answer. And then I'll put, do I want first name, last name, or both? Okay. And then this required button right here. Is this something that the person that you're trying to record the information needs to fill out in order to be able to save the document and submit it at the end of the form? So I'm going to say required, and then I am going to duplicate. Now, duplicate obviously is exactly that. So then I'm just going to change this to address as a short answer, still make it required. City and, no, I'm going to make city and province separate. And then I'm going to put postal code. Okay. So I'm going to hit duplicate again. Now the nice thing is you can change the type of answer that you have. So I'm going to ask a question. Do you like 31 gifts? And I'm actually going to make this a linear scale because I want to see what we want to do. So 1 to 5. 1 being, nope, don't like it. 5, love it all. Okay, and then you can see here that it is changing. Now I'm not going to make that a required one. And then the other thing, the other type I want to show you is, would you like to host a party? And we're going to do multiple choice. Okay, yes, let's set a date, add another. contact me in a month or two. And option 3, not at this time. Okay, so it gives you a couple of different ideas of how to create the form. Okay, so then once you're done, Google, like I said, Google Forms automatically saves it for you. Up here in your settings, oh wait, pardon me, not the right place. Here in send, you're going to click on send, and it's going to give you a couple of different options. So you can email it if you have a list of people that you email, that would be great. Or here, this is the link. This is my favorite thing to do. Now this is a ginormous link, so if you click on shorten URL, this is a much easier copy and paste to put into the form. Okay, and then just like that, that is how you create a form. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you one of the forms that I have done. So here's my fall and winter one that I did for my customers. Now you can import a picture. That is my logo for my company, and then you can update with different pictures, with different everything like that. Now what I wanted to show you here is the responses. Now Google has recently changed that. Before it was automatically put into a spreadsheet for you, but they've just recently changed that. So now here's the responses. Now this shows you, sorry, I should have blanked out my people's names. This is all their names. Now what you can do, this green box right here shows you that you can actually have it put into a spreadsheet. So I'm going to click on that, and then it is going to give me all of my customers' information. I'm going to close that very quickly because that does have their personal information. So that is a quick tutorial on Google Forms. Please let me know if you have any questions, and we will go from there. Okay, have a great night. Bye-bye.